All right, we're back out here in Fort Worth, about to do an evaluation on this home right here. Just knocked on this door. It looks like they were getting ready to do this anyway, so they asked me to do a quick inspection, get them an estimate. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put all this stuff together for them, get them an estimate. We're going to do a little walk around right here. So check it out. This is a corner house, so I'm really not even sure where the front of this house is. But walking around here, if we do, we'll just call this the left side over here. We'll take a look at the gutters here, see if there's any dings on them. I like to run the chalk down just to see if it picks anything up. Oh, there's a couple of them right there. A couple Heldings. That's just on that downspout. We'll walk around here and check these gutters since they're pretty low. Oh yeah, here's a good one right here. Perfect. We'll take a look at the windows, see if there's any beading. These are some pretty old-fashioned windows. Don't see much there. Looks like they freshly painted this house here pretty recently. Another downspout here. Oh, there's a couple good hits probably right there. I broke my chalk. See some of the hits right there on that downspout. Wore out some of the paint. This could have been a lot of different things, but we'll go ahead and put it on there too as well. This fit's definitely got stained. I could actually see a few hits on it here. You can see definitely a little ding right there. This will need to be restained. There's a couple hits right here. We'll get down here to the end of the fits, so that way we can make sure we get a cut. It's not really a hit there. Oh, there's a couple of them right here. Definitely some helmets. Walk around to this backside. This fence too. The hit there. Couple of dings right there, and then that's the back side of this fence right here. We'll walk right back around here and do the front. I guess we'll call it the front elevation. This will be the right elevation, and then we'll climb up on the roof and take a look at it. Here's the front of the house. Don't see much on those window screens. Shutters look pretty good. Don't see any hits there. Oh, I got some, oh yeah, got some hits here. So their siding got dinged up pretty good. Yeah, here's a couple more. One right here. This is the left side of the house. Yeah, here's a couple of a good ding there. A good ding there. Definitely got hit with some hail over here. Oh yeah. There's hits all over this thing. There's a hit there. Siding's gonna need to be replaced. There's a good one right there. Big dog back here, is there? Get eaten. Window screen needs to be replaced. You can see all of these. This is the back elevation. See this window screen. Take a look at the AC unit, see if you see any hit. Oh yeah, there's a couple of hits right there. One there, a bunch of them right there. Bunch right here. Another window unit right here. Looks like some birds have flown into it, but it also got some hail damage. For sure. Take a look at the inside part of this fence. See, this one's covered by the trees pretty good right here. One of those hits. So need to be restained as well. We'll get measurements for it. What it is, it's called pressure wash and stain. So that's the back. This is the back of the yard. You can see here, this is the roof on the shed in the back. It's just absolutely hammered. Just hammered. There's a good hail hit right there, right there. Just beat up. There's a couple hits right here. This will probably need to be repainted. All right, let's walk up on the roof real quick. Take a look and see what we got up there. Old 3-tab shingle. Oh yeah, there's a big old wallop right there. This is a flat roof. And a whole section of shingles missing here. So we'll do this slope first. Looks like it's gonna be pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 on that slope. That's a little bitty slope. Got some definite wind damage here. This whole slope is absolutely failed. It's all of them are bad. There's a big old there, 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 there. Plenty of wind damage, plenty of hail damage on that slope. And we'll walk over here. Let's check out the softs. See some of the Heldings. Excuse me. There's 1, 2, 3, 'Shingles don't have much left in them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more for good measure. There's 11. That's on the left slope. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you have it right there. Did a complete walk around of the house. We're gonna take a look at everything. I'm gonna throw an estimate together they can send to the insurance company and get these folks fixed up. If you ever need anything, call me 817-559-2882. We do the same for you guys. All right, we'll talk to y'all later.